Hi, I understand your unit is not working. Like your photo, when you switch on the unit, see the switch is on, the fan is running, but the lamp is not. Most likely is the connectors. First of all, switch off the power supply, remove the power cord, and remove the reflector tray. Slide out the units. You see that the connectors need to be tightened. Wires are fully inserted. Slide back the reflector tray. Make sure the wires are not pinched. Then test the unit. I hope this will solve your issue. Thank you.